storm has now erupted ahead of opposition's protest demanding restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. The controversy centers on the National Conference's decision to invite 52 political leaders and Mirwais Umar Farooq. The BJP has strongly criticized the move, questioning whether opposition leaders are even prepared to share the stage with a separatist-linked figure and accusing the National Conference of promoting separatism under the guise of statehood campaign.
देखिए, स्टेटहुड के विषय में तो सारी क्लैरिटी पहले ही दे चुके हैं, परंतु स्टेटहुड के नाम पे क्या सेपरेटहुड को बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है? क्योंकि जो पाकिस्तान के प्रॉक्सी है, जो पाकिस्तान की सुर से सुर मिलाते हैं कश्मीर के विषय पर, जो उनकी लाइन को एडवोकेट करते हैं, जो भारत का विभाजन चाहते हैं, जो चाहते हैं कि कश्मीर में परिस्थितियां कभी ना सुधरे, ऐसे लोगों के साथ भी आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हो और इंडिया अलायंस के लोग उसको समर्थन दे रहे हैं। तो ऐसा लगता है कि बीजेपी विरोध में क्या देश विरोध में उतर आए हैं।
Let's go across to my colleague Ankit, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Ankit, ahead of opposition's protest and this campaign for J&K statehood, what we are witnessing is how a political storm has erupted. BJP is raising questions, especially on NC's decision to also include Mirwais Umar Farooq in this particular protest.
Yes, absolutely. National Conference had written a letter to all the political parties when it comes to the list of the leaders which they have invited. There is one name, that is Mirwais Umar Farooq. This clearly shows that how National Conference has invited the Mirwais for the protest in Jantar Mantar. National Conference has clearly said that they are going to stage a protest in Jantar Mantar during the monsoon session for the restoration of statehood in Jammu and Kashmir. But now there has been a controversy over this particular protest because they have clearly invited the Mirwais to the Delhi in Jantar Mantar for this protest.
Right. So clearly what we are witnessing right now is BJP raising questions on the protest that has been planned. It's a campaign for statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. And what is important to understand is that there will be 52 political leaders who have been invited for this particular protest, along with Mirwais Umar Farooq. BJP has now sharply criticized this particular move, questioning whether opposition leaders are prepared to share the stage with a separatist-linked figure. And they've also accused the National Conference of promoting separatism under the guise of statehood campaign. So this is the big story that we are getting at this point in time. A controversy has now erupted over J&K statehood protest. NC has invited 52 netas, including Mirwais. BJP is raising question on NC's invitation to Mirwais. Let's go back to Ankit, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Ankit, what is it that NC and the leaders who've been invited have to say on the charge of the BJP?
National Conference President Farooq Abdullah wrote a letter to the different political parties of India, including the Congress and the South-based political parties. But the main triggering point which BJP has raised is on the Mirwais Umar Farooq. The Hurriyat Neta is being also invited for the protest in Jantar Mantar, which the National Conference is going to stage during the monsoon season in Jantar Mantar in New Delhi.
Right. Ankit, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. We have Rashid Alvi of the Congress Party joining us on the broadcast as well. Good morning, Mr. Alvi. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your thoughts on what BJP has to say on what NC is planning to do in Jammu and Kashmir. NC has invited 52 netas, including Mirwais Umar Farooq. BJP is raising questions. BJP is asking, will opposition now share stage with a separatist?
It is not important who will share his stage, who will not share. BJP should answer whether statehood should be restored or not. It is important question. It is not important question who is going to support, who is going to participate, whether they have any respect for the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has specifically directed it. Statehood should be restored as early as possible. People of Kashmir, they have been demanding it. But basically, I am sure BJP and its government will never restore it because they are hungry for power. They can never come back to power in Jammu and Kashmir on its own. So they have find out a way to rule over the state through lieutenant governor. This is the problem. So that is the reason BJP is trying to find out which question should be raised. Why should we say that Umar has been invited to participate? It is not important. BJP and BJP leaders should answer this question whether you are going to restore or not.
Okay. But BJP is saying that it is separatism that is being promoted in the name of this campaign for statehood.
Then you dissolve Umar Abdullah's government. If you are saying this, you are in power. Bharat Sarkar belongs to you. You dismiss that government. Basically, BJP is power hungry. They want to rule every state. They want to rule over the country. They have made amendment in the parliament as far as election commission is concerned. So they have destroyed the democracy of the country. They have no respect for constitution. They have no respect even for parliament. So it is not important what. And now people of this country are totally against BJP.
Okay. All right. Mr. Rashid Alvi, we'll see how the BJP will now respond to the points that you have raised. But thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me go back to my colleague Ankit, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Ankit, I had to interrupt you earlier, but can you also tell us a little bit about who all are expected to be part of this particular protest of the 52 netas who've been invited?
Yes, absolutely. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah has sent the invitation to the Congress. National Conference President Dr. Abdullah has sent the invitation to the SP Netas, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav. He has sent the invitation to the South political parties. He has sent the invitation to the Mirwais Umar Farooq. He has sent the invitation to the Akali Dal. He has sent the invitation to the Aam Aadmi Party. There are almost 52 Netas who have been invited for the monsoon session, which is going in upcoming days. They are going to stage a protest in the Jantar Mantar in New Delhi for the restoration of the statehood. But yes,
right. Thank you, Ankit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story from Jammu and Kashmir.